Are you wondering which family tracking app is better? Today we are comparing Life360 and Family360. Both apps help you keep tabs on your loved ones, but they do it in different ways. Life360 offers real time location tracking. It allows you to see where your family members are at any time. You can set up alerts for when someone arrives or leaves a specific place. It also has features like driving reports and emergency alerts. On the other hand, Family 360 focuses on family safety. It provides location tracking as well, but it emphasizes safety features more. Family 360 has a panic button for emergencies and a built in chat function for easy communication among family members. Now, let's look at the key differences. Life 360 is more about location sharing and driving safety. Family 360, however, is all about keeping your family safe with extra tools for emergencies. When it comes to features, Life 360 offers driving analysis and location history. Family 360 includes safety alerts and a family chat. Both apps have their strengths, but they cater to different needs. In terms of pricing, both apps have free versions with basic features. However, for advanced tools, you'll need to pay a monthly fee. Life 360 tends to have more options in its paid plans. So, who should choose what? If you want detailed driving reports and location sharing, go for Life 360. If safety features are your top priority, Family 360 might be the better choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.